going, guys? Welcome back to another video of RFA. I know it's been a long time because there's been a lot of bad wind. So we found a weather gap this weekend, so we've decided to come out to our dhuie spot. We brought Lincoln along for the trip. Yeah, hope you enjoy. Link's onto a good fish. Woo! Go, Lincoln.
Lean out a bit. Lean out a bit.
Come over here. Come over here. Yep, that's good. He hit it like a steam train, didn't he?
Oh yeah.
This is good fish. Whew.
Oh, it's not.
Just take your time. It's dead weight. This could be a dhuie. This could be a dhuie. It's just dead weight. Bring him up steady and slowly. Oh, look at the bend in that rod.
It's only 20-pound line, guys. But it's
oh man, right when I said wait for the second round of hits and you just took it. That's a good fish.
It's a good rod.
Oh my god. Woo.
This feels like a good 10 kilo.
Yeah, probably.
Because my rod's a 9 kilo. So
Just wait and see. I see him. He's coming up. What is it?
Hey, you found Lincoln.
What is it though? Oh, it's a wrasse. Big wrasse. Oh. You felt hooked, didn't know, and the white felt big. Oh, we got a bit of action. Hey, Link.
Got a bit of action. Fat wrasse. Oops. Never seen this colour before.
Yeah, look at that.
It's pretty. Oh, look at it splattered in its mouth. That thing. Sam might be on. He doesn't know yet.
Okay, stop.
It's Jarrad.
We think Link's hooked up to a fish. We don't know.
Unless he just got off.
He was on. Unless he's just floating up.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves in this feeling.
No, you lost him.
That was a good fish, guys.
Just keep on going.
So good. Don't know what it is yet though.
My reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find a way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away.
That could be a big
It's not a
cage.
price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus.
Oh, that's what
Hey, Jim. Hey, Jim.
Hey, G.
Okay, gliding. Hold it. Quick. We'll have you along.
Yay, boys!
Look at that. That's a monster. Wow. Look at that.
I've never seen one that big.
I called it, didn't I?
Look at that KG.
Hold it down. Gliding. Kelly. Just in the
Let me go get one now.
Says he flipped his bailies on. Oh, my rod's getting hit. My rod's getting hit. Told him to go for a gun.
But the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea.
Lincoln, I'm on. Lincoln, I'm on.
I will not
Quick,
let
grab
us
this.
fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay.
Yeah, good fish,
and
good
it's
fish.
Good fish?
not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus.
Whoa.
Oh, no, I'm holding the GoPro in my hand.
Oh, I can't get that low to do that. No. Can't get that low to put it in the water. I need a longer stick.
Oh,
What is it?
picked up. What is it? Black off? Not barhook grass.
Barhook grass off.
Why it's called big again. Whoa! Lincoln's hooked up. Lincoln's hooked up. Woo!
It's a good fish. I dropped him just before.
You hit hard?
Yeah. It's a decent fish.
Yeah, take your time. He's not going anywhere. You seem to have hooked him well. Yeah. Bring him around here. There it is.
What do we got here, Sam?
The King George whiting that we caught today. I'll show the seasonings in a second for what we put on this. As you can see, it looks delicious though. And smells so good. We're gonna chuck in some wraps. Then we're gonna go get some salad stock for it. We got some pork crackle over here.
It's kind of called fish crackle.
Yeah. Good? This is what you put on chicken though. It's like a Texas style chicken sort of thing. It's nice. Gets a bit spicy, but yeah.
Wow. The flavour's good, but not the scales in it.
The crackle.
Yeah.
Look at that. Looks like chicken. It's gonna be like a chicken wrap. Yum.
Sam's making his wrap. Let me get salad over here. Got the secret sauce here. Chuck on the lettuce.
Break that in half a tree.
No, secret sauce.
Secret sauce. Smother it. Hey, you better bleep that out because we don't know what it is.
Yeah, Sam just said what the secret sauce is.
Sorry guys, but I'm bleeping it out. Alright. Bon appetit. Oh god. Too much lettuce. Nice one. Oh. That's good. It's good.
Sweet. I'm gonna make one. See what it tastes like. Oh yeah. That's good. That is good.
So, we use the fish, Portuguese chicken seasoning with some sea salt and meat tenderizer to give it that chewy texture. Came out great. So, King George whiting with the only fish. Give this a try. I rate it 5 out of 5.
This is probably going to do this episode. It's been a fun one. Sam caught King George. I dropped King George. But I think it was a good day.
We got that on footage too. Hugh Lincoln losing the fish right now. Alright, so that's the end of this episode. If you like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe to Real Fishing Adventures. No. Don't have to if you don't want to, but we greatly appreciate it. See you, legends.